Before I start the video, I will be making a new intro, besides making it on GoAnimate for schools. I will make this on another website, and also, thanks for 100 subscribers YouTubers and GoAnimators. Anyways, enjoy the video. Hey Dallas, do you want to go for a walk outside? Sure. So Dallas, what do you want to talk about? I don't know. Well, let's just walk then. Well, I'm getting tired. Can we rest for a minute? Sure. Elevator man, why are you scared? Look. Oh my gosh. It's a tornado. Let's get out of here. Dallas, you hide under the couch. I will watch to see if anyone is out there, okay?
Elevator man. Help. The tornado is going to get me.
Don't worry. I'll get the door. Oh no. The couch is coming apart.
No, oh.
Hang on, Eric. Thank goodness we're okay.